Hello viewers, hope you're doing well. Today in this video, I'm going to create get all task API in Spring Boot. So let's get started. You can see the admin service. In this interface, I'm going to create a new method that is a get all task. And the return type of this method that is a list of task DTO. Let's go to admin service simple. Let me implement the get all task method. And here I'm going to call a method from the task repository that is a find all. It will be a stream dot sorted. In this, I'm going to write the functionality to sort the task by the due date. So it will be a comparator dot comparing. First, I'm going to give here the task entity, and second, I'm going to give here the due date, and it will be a dot reversed. After this, I'm going to add here the map. First, we have to pass here the entity, and second, we need to call a method from the entity to convert the entity to the DTO, and it will be a dot collect, that is a collectors dot to list. Now you can take a look of the return statement. Let's go to admin controller. Let me copy this method. Let me paste. After that, let me update the path of the endpoint, that is a slash tasks, and name of the method, that is a get all tasks. We have to call a method from the admin service, that is a get all tasks. Let me run the Spring Boot application. As you can see, application started. Let's go to Postman and let's test the API. You can see the path for the login API. Let's click on the send button to generate the token of the admin. Let me copy this token. Let's go to the next tab, and you can see here the URL of the get all task API. Let's go to authorization tab. Let me add here the token of the admin. Let's click on the send button, and you can see here the status of the API, that is a 200 OK. And we are getting here the list of the tasks from the DB. As you can see, the latest task is on the top. So that's all for now from my side. If you have any confusion, you can do comment. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.